It's Wednesday, June the 10th, 2026. Almost 5 o'clock p.m. We're getting ready to stop in Rifle, Colorado to pick up a charge at Tesla Charging. We need to get from 14% to 61. It says it'll take 27 minutes. The battery is 97 degrees temperature. This was a little bit higher, I noticed, as much as, gosh, that's a little road work needed here. 16. That was interesting. It made the car think there for a minute, as far as for speed, as far as gas pedal or fuel pedal adjustment. It was at like 16% at one point, but this guy in front of me, Sam Houston, has sped up, and we're doing, 72, 74, which is fine because we got a little extra. Started out with saying we'd need 10. Really pretty water over there. It looks cold. It's 88 degrees outside. I guess it's just the color of it. But yeah, we got 3 minutes, 3.3 miles to get into Rifle, Colorado to load on some fuel. I was thinking when we were back at where that Fisker was charging with those guys, we were laughing about how anybody who doesn't or hasn't.
2 miles. Take exit 90 towards Rifle, Meeker.
I mean, this is what it seems like. It seems like anybody who hasn't had an electric vehicle knows more about it than people who have had at least one. I had a guy last night that just, had all kinds of ideas about, how it should be, but then I asked him, do you have an electric vehicle? No, I don't need one or something. But he had all the ideas and the plans and the suggestions as to how to fix it. 1.1 miles. I better do something soon. I don't know if I'm going to get by this guy or not. 0.9 miles. I guess I got it. Yep, I'm going to have to lose my dancing partner, Sam Houston.
90 towards Rifle, Meeker.
He was a good drafter. I guess he was. I don't know if I'm the draftee or drafter or whatever, but anyway, I got to turn off, reaching behind me here,
take exit 90.
Get my little adapter to hook up at this
mile.
Tesla.
First exit.
Coming in hot. Oh, it's got. Oh no, I thought that was one of them metal grates.
Take first exit.
So you get up in here, you yield, watch for people, you take, like she said, the first exit.
Exit the roundabout, then take the.
Still yielding for people.
Take exit.
And then I'm going to go hard. Do what now? Keep going around. Watch out for bicycles going they're on the sidewalk. Go up through here for a little bit and then turn around and come back.
In 500 feet, make a U-turn.
So, there they are.
Make a U-turn.
Why would I make a U-turn when I can just going in? No, I ain't going in. I don't know. Yeah, there was a turning lane there. I should have used that. Come in. I better get off of here. Glad nobody's behind me. There's a Mach-E. Let me pull up in here and get out of everybody's way. And Sonic.
You have arrived.
This seems like a good idea. I have heard that it makes sense to use the higher numbered stations because they may be the later ones put in. These lines go all kinds of ways, so I guess I'll just do this. Since I'm here first, I reckon I can make choices. Okay. Charge up here, see what we got. Get my charge with the help of an adapter kit. Yeah, this is the one that Hyundai gave all been doing my app. I didn't do that. I think I might have screwed up. I may have to do my app first. I might have to go back out there and unplug it. That cabinet's got a little bit of ding on it up top. 3B. Charge here. Rib City Grill, that looks good over there across the street. Initiate and charge. Make me want to go over and eat. The Rib City Grill. Doing 63 kW. So I'm at 15%. And a better route planner. Maybe if this is possible to see, I don't know if I can zoom in or not. Yeah. So this little red line right here, that's this little red line that's right there. That thing will move on down the road as you get more charge in. That basically is telling you that you're getting farther to your destination based on. So I'm here now. I want to go there, wherever there is, somewhere in Colorado. But this little thing will keep moving up as we're loading on charge. This little red line will go toward the goal post. Like right now it's 16%. And, I don't know if it'll move while we're watching it or not, but I know it's hard to do, but you might just have to trust me. Oh, there it moved. So yeah, and then it wants to do another Tesla charger. Oh, we got oh no, that's just the way the road goes. I was going to say we had to go our way, but I guess we're going around the mountain or something. I don't know how much farther I'll go tonight, but this is about as far as I went yesterday. But anyway, we need to go to, let me see what it says. I forgot. It was about 25 minutes, I think. If I plug this in here and plug it back up. 26 minutes left, that's what it is. I didn't have to plug it up. 26 minutes left and we're doing 64 kW. We're supposed to go to 61%. As long as I'm within probably Bluetooth range, I don't think it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, between my phone and the OBD2 dongle, this will keep accurate data. Beyond that point, like if I go somewhere and eat farther away from the car, then I'll need to rely on my little Hyundai app, which, most manufacturers, they have their own version of it, but I may have to show it in my face. No, it worked. So right now it just updated. It says it's got 17% and it's 18 now. It's a couple minutes ago. Charging, it says an hour and 49 minutes left, because I just leave that DC charger set to 100%, because I'll catch it before then. The doors are unlocked. This says attention needed because I've been messing around. I did it actually months ago with the Comma AI, and it thought a sensor was bad because of the sequence of what I'd done. And I'm just not really worried about it. I could probably reset the codes or something, but yeah, so I guess I better stop talking and take a break while I can. Go back to A Better Route Planner, ABRP, and it says we're at 20%, which is true, and 24 minutes left. Okay, there's Taco Bell too, but I believe I will walk across the street. Feel like Frogger walking over there.